Hello. Alright. It's- So today, oh, by the way, we kept v0.9. It was rigorously play tested, so it it is a pretty good version. I'm happy with that. It still has bugs, but they're not that problematic. So I decided to ship it with them. It's not a final release, so now we are working towards v0.10 or v0.10. The main objective of this version would be audio. So, like, we should have a system in place. With most of the audio should be integrated. I think we might need some more audio, so I'll talk about that. Like, I'll discuss that with the sound designers and composers for my game. Um, but yeah, I'm just gonna integrate what I do have right now. I think some might not work, but we'll find out. So yeah. Um, Another objective. I mean, for the version, the objective is audio. Audio is the main thing. And the other, you know what? I should note it down. Not in the to-do list because we are not going to do it today. We might if I feel bored of audio. But for now, but no. The other thing that I want to do is get a logo on startup game startup game startup. So basically, instead of Godot ka logo, we'll use Garden ka logo. Uh, Garden is the game studio name, by the way. Um, so that the other is starting cutscene. I do want to make it, but I'm not sure if not really sure how to approach it, or I guess I'm not sure about the priority. Like, uh, audio is a huge task that's gonna take a lot of time, and I want to release version 0.10 by next Saturday or Sunday, next weekend. And have a feeling that even up till that point, I'll still just be integrating sounds. So that's why I'm not sure if I would be able to do a starting cutscene and whatnot. But uh, we can have it as an objective. If it really doesn't work, then obviously we'll improvise and ship it without cutscene. Right? That's what that's what life is all about. Why? What the fuck? Why is the spawn point here? Eh, I don't know. Let me change the branch by the way. I have to close. Why is VS Code not visible? VS Code God. Okay. So I'm just gonna put audio in today's to-do list. Garden logo on startup if I am bored. That's also a thing that we might do. Okay, so yeah, first of all, change to main branch. Check our branch and repeat audio integration. So I'm scared of audio integration. I've been putting it off for so long, and we've been looking for some kind of manager or add-on or extension or tool or whatever that will make it easier to integrate audio. And I don't know, we did find something, but I just felt like it was a little too much. It was like even even learning how to use that, or yeah, uh, that required learning basically. And so that's kind of not good, right? I mean, if I don't want, that defeats the purpose, right? I mean, type shit. But then they did have features. I'm not gonna deny that. They, I didn't, you know, they were not particularly useful for us. So if I'm not gonna use those features, then the added complexity is not worth it. So I decided not to, So I decided to check out for a few more tutorials, right? And so I just watched some, and still need to learn, by the way. I'm not done. Still need to learn audio integration properly. But for now, I feel like I think I'm done with the, you know, a decision. And the decision is to just simply use the audio stream player that we have on Godot, without any scripts made by people already or whatnot. I'm just gonna use the audio stream player. I'm gonna experiment with it. We'll see how it works. We'll try to learn it, right? You will try to learn it. And so um uh, the easiest thing to start off with is two things. Okay, let's put that on the to-do list itself at least. So this is not all that we are going to do today, but for now we're going to use add main menu music and sun sound. And then when we figure that out, we'll do, I was going to put footsteps, but I think ship sound, the reason I want, okay, let's do ship sounds. I didn't like the ship sounds in the experiment that I previously did, or that we previously did. um, so I'm hesitating. Ship sounds, then that cockpit, Source, open sound. So this is a nice variety. Main mini music is well music, not positional at all. Sun sound is positional, but it is constant. Ship sounds is not constant. It will vary based on what you're doing, accelerating or maintaining speed or not moving. And dad cockpit door open sound is again positional and a one shot thing based on an action. So this is what we're gonna do. Okay, let's start. Let's get started. Let me find the sun sound first. Uh okay, first of all, let's create the assets. Assets may first it will be music and should I name it audio and then create subfolders, right? No. uh create folder, create new folder, SFX. So then so I downloaded one music. Okay, downloads. Loop. Don't really know. What do these do? I don't know. I don't know honestly. I don't know what these do. I should probably. Oh, so beat count is basically uh, limiting how much of this music you're gonna use, I guess. Bar beats. What does this do? Though? Need a quick explanation. That's pretty sana. And so in Godot music timing, these settings describe the song's tempo and structure. Beats per minute, the speed of the music started. It can do okay. Bar beats. How many beats make up one bar measure? This comes from the song's time signature. Common values. Oh, is that मतलब, I don't know. Fuck it. Uh, what? Okay, dude. Import. Do I need this? Import, man. Dude, it's failing. Huh? Launched. No, it's not failing. Okay, whatever. So if you're gonna play, I mean, I'm not sure if this is a song that I want to play in the main menu, if I'm honest, because I love the song too much. And so I don't know. I don't know. Main menu is a place where people don't spend most of their time. So I don't like the idea of using my favorite music in a place where people won't even listen to it, right? You know what I mean? So let me see what other songs we have. That was pretty good, but that's not fit for main menu. These are all amazing. How do you just see? Hmm, dude, this is a good one for the main menu, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one. Uh, Sorrow's Embrace. Let's see. What the fuck is your problem? Import. Import, motherfucker. Okay. Okay. Now, main menu, if I'm not wrong, main menu should have a audio stream player. Just a simple vanilla. Oh, sorry. Audio stream player. This will be main menu music player, right? We also need to add buses. Okay, so we have music, SFX, and UI bus already. Now this guy would use the music bus playback type. What does this mean? There would be changed or removed in the future. The playback is set other than to the default value. It will force that playback stream force the playback to be considered as a stream for the considered as a sample. This can provide lower latency and more stable playback with less risk about it. The cost of having less flexibility. Max polyphony, the maximum number of sounds this node can play at the same time. Calling play after this value is reached will cut off the oldest sounds. What does that mean? Yeah, stereo. Wait, stereo. The audio will be played only on the first channel. This is the default. The audio will be displayed on will be played on all surround channel. Second, which is usually the center. Sound. I don't know. Stream paused. What does that mean? If true, the sounds are paused. Setting stream pause to false resumes all sounds. This property is automatically changed when exiting or entering the tree. But this node is paused. Hmm. Okay. Autoplay. For now, at least, I do need autoplay. Playing if this node is playing sounds. Yeah. Okay. Stream. So we have some audio stream. Audio stream. Wow. Audio stream generator. Audio stream randomizer. I should learn all of those actually. Okay, let's see how this works. It's a bit loud. Minus 20. That's too quiet. Minus, sorry, minus 10. Mm, I like it, if I'm being honest. Let's see what happens. Okay, cool. Oh, wait. Yeah, I do want to check another thing. So when I play new game, the sound stops. I go to main menu again. Okay, it starts from the beginning. Nice. So the only problem with this so far is I don't think it's gonna loop very well. How do you make shit loop seamlessly? I don't think it will loop seamlessly because it's you know, the ending and starting don't really fade out. So I think one thing that you can do is audio stream interactive, add clip. No, you can't do that. No. Looks like I'm gonna audio stream. Yep. Stream audio stream, audio stream generator. Yep. Audio stream polyphonic. Polyphony. What does that even mean? Audio stream interactive, audio stream synchronized. Substreams which will be played in sync. No, dude. This is not what I want. P3. No. Holy mother of God. He hits me. No, dude. How does this music sound in game? No, I hate it. The current one is better. Which I used. Audio stream player. Loop fade. How to fade in and out. Did a looping fading combine built-in audio looping audio input with a custom tween script. This smooths out abrupt transitions. What does that mean? Configure the audio file for looping. Yep. Set up the node and audio. Yep. Add the fade and loop script. Attach the following code here. Smoothly control the volume. Start by fading in. Fade in to 0. Funk fade out and stop. Dumbass, where is fade out and stop used? Stupid motherfucker. Forum.Godot. Jarring. What's the best way to solve this? Dude, okay. Okay, that's what I thought. So no thanks to you, ChatGPT. So we will use audio stream interactive ad clip. Yeah. Or embrace. Stream. Intro. Loop. And the same shit. Auto advance. What does that mean? Oh god. Good. Chest. Intro. How do you do this? Use transition immediate to same. I'm gonna have to get in. Get in. Transition from clip and name ऐसे. Again, what I'm gonna have to watch the tutorial because I really don't understand what I'm doing. But go to audio stream internet. No, not your loop. Just wait a minute. I don't have. I have those options though. Oh, acha, this is a pretty fast. Okay, cool. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, we get it. Yes, sir. For me, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. Feel. Wait a minute. Did you do? Oh, it's enable. Oh, okay. Edit transitions. Intro to loop. How does it begin? Okay, cool. Okay, so I need fast fade. Fade beats. Okay, not sure. Is both of them playing, bro? Okay. Oh, okay. Stop. A beat count. Wait, what? 20. 20. I don't know, yeah. I don't like it. Can I save this? Yes. Is it custom? I don't know. Sorrows. Embrace. Intro. Uh, let's see. I mean, okay. Somewhat working. How do I stop? So now edit transition. Okay. Can I not send it to a custom position or some shit? Hmm? Is that not option? Why is that not an option? Wait, so we have beat count, bar beats, offset. We do have our offset. Okay. Can I offset? Yeah, I can actually. Loop. Let's see. What? I didn't do shit. Stop, 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 stop. What is, what do you mean this doesn't do anything? 5 seconds at which the team's stream starts. Oh, okay. I get it. Get what you mean. Can I do that here? Oh, okay. 12 seconds actually. Now let's see. Ah, this shit sucks. Why? Why can't you just give me an option right here on how you want to fucking um loop? Dumbass. Definitely. This is not for me. इंटरेक्टिव ही लेते हैं. Add a clip. Sorrow's embrace. We auto advanced. Don't really know what that will. We need a clip end obviously. Love clip नहीं. Uh, beats. I don't know. Let's see. How long is this again? 112 seconds. It's almost 2 minutes. This better be worth it. Waiting so long. Why can't I? Why can't I skip? Rubber. I don't get it. I need to pay better attention to streaming. I take streaming for granted because streaming is not really the goal. Oh, dude, it looped and I didn't even notice. So I think that's a good sign, right? Stop. Okay. It's uh let's set a timer for 2 minutes. This must be really boring to watch on stream because you can't hear it. I don't know if I should turn on display music or not though. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is the end. Actually, no, that was pretty. That was pretty noticeable. What is that? What is that by? Let's start. Crossfade. This is what I what I do it over 20 bits. I don't know. 20. Good. What? What? Okay. 16 is the max. Okay. ठीक है चलेगा. Whatever. So 120 beats per minute. एक सेकंड में क्या है? दो. No. Yeah, right. 2. 16 is 8 seconds. That might be actually a little tedious. Let's do 6 beats. 3 seconds. Now I have to listen to the whole thing again. Not sure. I don't want to waste my time, so. Huh? The fuck? Whatever. Please be, please be good. Please be good. Please be good. Yeah. It didn't work. Why is that? Transition is not smooth. Hmm. Disappointing. Audio stream interactive transition to self with crossfade. Well, create a transition from main loop to main loop crossfade time. 120 beats per minute है तो per second is 2, so 2 seconds is 4, yeah, whatever. When you trigger the transition back to main loop, whatever. Like, it's not even fading out or in doing anything of that sort, so that's a problem. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to change that using code or something. All right, but dude, that's fuck. Initial clip ही है वो, so I think this is gonna, I'm in a really bad spot. I am in a really bad spot. What? Add a clip. Well, let's see क्या ही हो जाएगा. For now, swear to God. immediate. Same position. Crossfade. Beats would be 4. Okay. Let's see. That didn't do shit. What? Why is it working for him? Oh, that did it. Still, it's not gonna solve my problem though. Like even if I switch, right? Even if I switch, mm, fuck you guys. Bro, audio loop seamless. Wait. Not able to live the mass. Screen resolution is just too high. Not what I wanted. Dude, come on. Not what I'm looking for. Okay, you know what? Let me make that loop seamless. Seamless audacity. Mm, doing a bit of meteor. Google Drive. I didn't want to show it on stream, but ठीक है. Sunroar. You know what? Let's not make too much fuss about looping, maybe. Let's get on with sun. Sun dot ACN. So you will have a audio stream layer 3D and let me download some sheet. And it downloading. Something happened. All right. Done. Officer Matani. I don't know how many folders I should make, but okay. Feel like I should have. Okay, no. Did I set it to loop? Nope. Good. All right. So I want this to have like area, logarithmic, inverse, whatever. Unit size. It sounds about right. With scale play. Why can't I listen to anything? Is it because of area? Yeah, I mean, nope. I'm not able to listen to the sound. Bus SFX. That shouldn't matter. Shouldn't matter. Why is it not playing? Oh, it, because of that. I don't know. Autoplay unload. Playing. Nope. Oh, for fuck's sake. Dude. No, for fuck's sake. Fucked up. Okay, I just need to reset that. Hello chat, how's it going? Not great. Audio is just way too challenging for me. I thought I would make some progress, but turns out I'm wrong. ठीक है देखते हैं. Play through the game again. Looking for the bugs. Dude. Dude. Yeah. No. Please do. Why is the game not working for me? Why? Dude, the game is not working. What happened? Okay, now it's working. Okay. Oh, fuck. Mm, yeah, I don't know. It's your volume. Let's put it to 20 dBs. Well, so I've managed. Okay, this is good. So I can सन का हुआ है फिर थोड़ा तो लॉगरिदमिक कैसे है bro, and what about that of yours, the video too? Yeah, that is going on. I don't know अभी क्या हो गया अभी तो it was working भाई अच्छा logarithmic is super low I guess wasn't उसका starting चला है yeah I've been working on it two side by side since June June का end second half of June basically mm, how's that going it's going good it's a bit how do I put it I've not done too much animation उसमें mostly तो only making rigs so it's not the most exciting task Okay. There we go. So इसको ये कर देना. It's a bit too loud, isn't it? Maybe I should decrease the volume. Alright, about the bug thingy. Other than hold right click to decelerate, everything works. What does that mean? Oh, it's only happening for me, I guess. Why is. What do you mean hold right click to decelerate is not working? Hold right click wala only goes away when I stop holding left mouse button. See, for me, that press A to yaw worked 0% of the time. So I have no doubt about that for me. But yeah, the heli. For fuck's sake. Everything skips properly now. Dude, what the hell? It's working for me now as well. What the hell? And I didn't even take a pull or anything. What planet do we assign the father to? Planet X89 or something. I mean, if you have a doubt, तो वो magical presence, yeah. If you have a doubt कि क्या नाम देना है planets का, so just open that Godot में जाके press Control P, then search assignment space change space UI. तो उसमें जो आएगा .tscn वाला फाइल, open that. Logarithm just does not work. Yeah. Unit size, okay. Factor for the attenuation effect. Higher values make the sound audible over a larger distance. Sure. Attenuation filter, cutoff hertz, minus dB, Doppler. No idea what that means. Looping. I know is loop. But ठीक है. How long is this clip? 40 seconds. Why? Okay. Max believing stream paused. Playing pitch scale. Inverse 50-33. Pitch scale. Playing. Autoplay. Stream paused. Max distance. The distance past which this sound can no longer be heard at all. Only as an effect if set to a value greater than 0.0. Max, dis- max distance works in tandem with unit size. However, unlike unit size, whose behavior depends on the max distance always works in a linear fashion. This can be used to prevent the from requiring audio mixing as far away, which saves CPU resources. No idea. See, I don't know. So I expect the Sanka sound to increase as I like close to the thing, but that's not really happening. Or at least it doesn't feel like it. Maybe it is happening. Yeah, I guess it is happening. Yep. In decibels. Okay, no sound. Let's see if it increases when I get near the sun. I'm able to listen. This shit is not working properly. Distance based नहीं है ये भाई. हाँ. Go disabled. हाँ. Yeah, I want the sound to only start playing when I get close to the sun. But what's actually happening is it plays when I'm far away too. Look at the same. I guess there is a difference, but it's not noticeable. Okay, after perilous. Hey, let's go. You are, bro. Inverse attenuation of loudness according to linear distance. अरे भाई बोलना. Attenuation of loudness according to square distance. Lol. Yeah, sorry. Uh, you can either press Control P and type the file name, or it's too much of a hassle. I'll just show it to you on stream. So basically Control P दबाएगा तो एक विंडो खुलेगा which won't be shown in the stream for fuck's sake. Okay, you see this filter files wala file system, and then oh, there you go. Yes, Planet X 78 and E89. Yep. Okay. You know what I'm gonna do? God knows. God save me. Oh, okay. What that means. Let's see. Yeah, algorithm is working, but this area is not enough. Let's see. Nope, use too much, I guess. 300. Yeah, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. All right. Successfully added sounds to the sun, and it's pretty good, I think. Main menu music is also done. It's not super seamlessly uh, looping, but yeah, whatever. You wanna hear? Okay, I'll show you. So when you are at a distance, right, which is game का starting a distance, you can barely hear it. I think I would like it to be even lower, but ठीक है. Now if I get close to the sun, the sounds will increase, but it might not be noticeable if I do that. So just continue game. You can immediately tell the difference, right? Why is that? Were you at least able to listen to the main menu music? No? Reload. Let me try this. I don't know. Abhi, what about now? Can't hear you either now. How about now? Can you hear me now? What about the game music? Main menu music? Can you hear the main menu music though? No main menu music. I can't hear. Why is that? Maybe I should. How about now? How about now? But kind of, yeah. So you can barely hear the sun ka sound from where you are at the start of the game, right? And if you fly close to the sun, then the sound will increase, but I think you might not even be able to tell easily if I do that. So, but if I press continue game, you will be able to spot the difference. Noticeable difference at least. Right? It is noticeable, right? Yeah. All right, so we've done main menu music and ship sound. Sorry, not ship sounds, sun sounds. Ship sound का problem is key. Is wait to the situation. Yeah. Ship sounds का problem is mm, yes, the music and sounds are made by some people I found on Discord. Mm, yeah, baby. City. So I'm showing my Discord chat. I mean, uh, let me turn off. Yeah. Mm, I don't know. The sound this guy provided me has some empty spaces, which I'm gonna have to remove. I would have preferred if he give the file without that. Anyone knows how to loop in Audacity? Audacity में loop कैसे करते हैं? Yeah, website. Mm. I should sleep. I have to go to the gym. Oh, wanna fix my sleep schedule. Not really decided. Mm, can't find what I was looking for. Why exactly do you stream the gaming? Is it to have logs of everything you've done? Not necessarily. I stream because I guess it helps me stay focused. Even if zero people are watching, or to show that you have made, show that you made everything without AI or something. Uh that's a bonus. And I've taken help from AI to like help with solution. मतलब अगर कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा, like syntax वगैरह. For syntax and stuff, I have used AI, but yes, other than that, I haven't. But to be honest, there is some still some residual code in the game which was made by AI. Thoda. It's the percentage won't be that big, but still. That was when we were targeting for a क्या बोलते हैं game jam and no gen AI. मतलब आर्ट के लिए तो obviously for the content no AI has been used, but for some code like enemy का जो पूरा है वो like that's I think fully AI से ही किया है enemy का code, and evidently I mean enemies are trash in the game. It's just key replacing that would be kind of difficult at this point, but who knows, we'll see. In front of NDG today. Oh, hey, leak, you're leaking. Not really. What did they think? Where did I keep the bus thing? CFSC ounce loop. Already. Oh, no. Sorry. Player. Yep. Yeah. Your travel distance and space. See, the thing is, I initially it was not bad. That's because I initially the scale was all different. Didn't pay attention to the scale, and उसके हिसाब से I made everything, and तभी the distance was better than now. But then something happened, and it occurred to me that the scale in space is just too big. So I had to scale everything down, but then that ended up meaning that the distance is too high now. Maybe I will have to bring everything a little closer, which will be kind of a problem. They feel that was because They were watching, then watching someone. I just like this is boring. Yeah, but I think there is some truth to it. I like I said, initially the scale was not that bad, but then I had to rescale the models. Now, उसके बाद I also felt कि अरे यार, now the distance is too much. So yeah, they're not wrong. Add clip. First time affiliate is ठीक है. I mean, we'll see. मतलब, I'm not gonna. The distance adjustment is something that I'll do at the end. अभी के लिए let's not mess with that. Initial globe is one engine start. इसको ऑटो प्ले करना चाहिए क्या? नहीं, it shouldn't be auto play, right? So edit transition. I don't know how transitions work, but ठीक है, देखते हैं. If one engine starts say we have to go to normal speed loop, right? So and that has to happen after clip end to the same position, crossfade हो जाओ for about how many beats? 1 second has 2 beats, so 4 beats. चलो, I don't know what hold previously does, and that didn't do anything. Immediately start, immediately clip end, same position, crossfade 4. Okay, now it shouldn't autoplay. Here we go. We should do what we should do for now is key. This is a pain. This is going to be a pain. I'm just going to do a rough thing for this sound. So if player is pressing forward thrust, then we will say audio player play from position. What does that even mean? I don't know. And if forward thrust or backward thrust is pressed, or so we'll just say stop, even though that's not correct, but we'll do that. Same for you, right? Oh, did I import it properly though? 8-bit नहीं, mono नहीं, max rate नहीं, loop mode, forward, loop begin, loop end. Apre, this thing has a lot of loop mode disabled. इसका loop mode नहीं है. Quiet, okay audio. Did we get it on first try, chat? Did we get it on first try? Let's see. Oh, मैं share नहीं कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है. Let me share the screen. No, we didn't. Damn it. No sound is being played. Those. Why is that? क्यों ऐसा क्यों भाई? Sitting in the hall of fame. Play, sir. Where are you? Cues the audio to play on the next physics frame from the given position in seconds. What does that mean? Garbage ass documentation, I swear to God. Play from 1.0. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, still not working chat. Why is that? Autoplay करके देखता हूँ. Autoplay भी नहीं हो रहा, क्यों? क्यों भाई? Get it. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let's not stop. Oh. इतनी देर बाद. इतनी देर बाद क्यों भाई? ऑटो प्ले का टाइम वर्क हो रहा है एटलीस्ट. मैं प्ले कर रहा हूँ फॉरवर्ड थ्रस्ट पे. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Oh, what? A forward thrust. What's your problem? One, two, three, four. अबे ये उल्टा क्यों काम कर रहा है? It starts playing when I'm pressing backward thrust. Forward thrust, fly forward, fly break. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Not playing. Oh, when I leave, it starts playing. That's a problem. That's a problem. I also need to know how it actually transitions, by the way. Sir. Oh, my bad, my bad. Why is there a volume difference? That's not good. Is it because of the way I imported it? Sorry. I mean, downloads. अबे इसमें बीट्स सब कहाँ है? This loop begin, loop end. How am I supposed to know where this is? Yeah. Fuck it. Can I just increase your volume, please? Why? Why, dude? ये उसने भेजा ही ऐसा. Yep. I didn't exactly fuck up the loop. Well, let's capacity. What do you do? The volume amplify 10 times. No, that's a bit too much. Amplify 5 times. It might be a little 7.5 times. Bye bye, little Sebastian. Miss you in the satisfaction. Yep. You're 5,000 candles in the wind. What? Dude, how is that possible? You should do the same first time. But that game over हुआ, right? Ah, fuck. Wow. Accelerate. There's a way to cut out. Why does MP3 have this option, have that option, but not you, dude? Well, it has beats per minute wala property, but not you for some reason. Normalize. Trim. Ah, okay, trim. Okay. What trim? What does that mean? Does it automatically trim the quiet bits? Is that what it is? No. Oh, it does. Wow. That's awesome. I don't even need this anymore. So I think the currently the problem that I'm facing has to do with the files themselves. Stuff. But why did you do that? Normal speed loop, the transitions. इंजन स्टार्ट से नॉर्मल स्पीड लूप को जाने पे लिप एंड के बाद पासवर्ड करके जाना. यस. So did I not tell you to loop? Forward. Oh fuck. Forward. Okay. It's 2 a.m. I have to sleep. Oh, it's not looping properly. Transitioning properly. This is why I didn't want to do. Anyways, Shipka is a lost cause. I'm gonna have to get them to do it again. think I should go to sleep. So I'm just gonna search to add custom logo Godot.
Hello?
हेड एंड शोल्डर्स तुझे डैंड्रफ है?
नहीं तो जो लोग हर वॉश में हेड एंड शोल्डर्स यूज करते हैं उनका डैंड्रफ वापस नहीं आता
हर वॉश में?
क्योंकि डैंड्रफ बार बार डराने आता है ना आपकी तरह हेड एंड शोल्डर्स
In this episode of my Godot UI tutorial series, we're adjusting the default splash screen when you run your game and creating our own. These tutorials are part of a long series of user interface tutorials for Godot, and as always, you can grab the source files for this and all of my Godot tutorials on my Patreon. The easiest way to adjust your game splash screen is by using the default splash screen settings in the engine. Go to Project Settings, General, Application, and Boot Splash to adjust the default background color, image, and other settings. The new image
What does that mean? And I do like transition. How many milliseconds? 1000 milliseconds is 1 second, right? 2000. Let's go. ठीक है भाई. गार्डन का लोगो कहाँ पे रखा है मैंने यार? I'm really not careful with what I'm sharing screen wise. 100 milliseconds is 1 second. Oh. What? No, dude. 1000 milliseconds is 1 second. Look it up for me once, please. Is it? Yeah, it is. I'm telling you. See, 100 centimeters is 1 second. So, and 100 milli. So, 1000 millimeters is 1 meter. So, same logic applies here too. Oh, for fuck's sake. Damn it. Dude, I don't have the logo. I have it in my laptop. Ugh. Give me 2 minutes. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, this is an orthographic camera. It's not, right? It is. Great. CZ. Yeah, that. Yeah, horizontal center. Yep. There we go. R X 90 R Z 90. There we go. You stay here and we will use a different font. Unispace ही use करूँ क्या? And I love Unispace, so it has to be bold. Has to be a bit boxy. Impact. I guess I'm thinking of impact here. The gap is too much here between the words. Line height किधर है? Line height. Font size, shear नहीं, object context from underline position. Spacing, line spacing, yeah, right. Yep, that's about right. Just need some better font style. Do you know of any fonts that'll suit our logo? Sugoi. The fonts. All right, let me check it out then. Oh my god, Silk Song. Fancy foreign look techno. Yeah, techno square. Yeah, baby. This is too much. Yeah, but these need to be क्या बोलते हैं? CC0. I can't use a proprietary font. But I'm not sure if these are. Permissions कहाँ लिखा है इसमें? There's a permission section here. I can't see it. 100% free. I can see that it's free. Free for personal use. Oh. 100% free मतलब फिर I can use them, right? हर font का description होता है. कहाँ होता है भाई? कहाँ है भाई? Oh, okay. Never mind. Sorry. Sorry. Bajos. Olga. Sci-fi. Contracts is a visual design serif that combines rectilinear geometry with softened edges for a sleek, tech-forward look influenced by a license that allows free commercial use. Sometimes Rotor's desktop license. This allows you to install the font on a computer and use it to create posters, web graphics, logos, and more. Read the license for details if you would like to embed this. Okay. Free commercial use मतलब हो गया, right? I can use it. How do I download this? Okay, there it is. I've downloaded it. Now how do I use it in Blender? Hmm? Any idea? Hey, I like this. What do you think? Yeah. Now we need to import that cheese here. अरे यार, why is it 2:20 a.m.? I have to sleep. I get in trouble if I don't sleep on time. So look, now let me share the whole screen. Yeah. So now when we boot up the game, the first logo we'll see is Getting Games. Let's go. It's a bit big though. Can I resize it? Bit too big. Flash. Yeah, let me finish this up. Pehle. This shouldn't take too long. It. We like it. We like it very much. We make the load last a tad bit longer. Yeah. 2 seconds. Yeah, make it fade in and वो मेरे को भी करना, but it doesn't let me do it. मतलब there is no option for any kind of transition here. So it's a shame. I mean, let me Google, man. Well, maybe Godot splash image transition or splash screen transition effects. Hey, yeah.
नवीन कैट
Link in the description. For a custom splash screen, go to project settings, Select Boot Splash, enable advanced settings. From here, we can edit the default Godot splash screen that plays before our game starts. Background color will change the background of the splash screen, which in our case doesn't matter as I'm not using a trans. Download link in the description for free. Next, I will set the minimum. Now, if you want to animate the splash screen, create a new 2D scene. I will add a background sprite and set it to the background PNG and scale it up. Keep in mind that you can alternatively use a color back node or rely on the default environment background color. I will then add a node 2D and rename it to logo. Next, I will add two sprites as its children. The first one, I'll set its texture to the Godot symbol. The second one, I'll set its texture to the Godot text. I'll then set the symbol's position to 570 by 248 and change its scale to 4 by 4. As for the text, I'll set its position 576 by 402. I'll also set its scale to 4 by 4. Then to remove the blurriness, go to logo and change its texture to nearest. I'll then add an animation player to the scene. I'll create a new animation called fade out. I'll then enable apply snapping on the timeline cursor. Then set the snap to 0.1 seconds. This will make the playhead snap by 0.1 every time we move it. I'll then go to the logo 2D node, go to its visibility and keyframe its modulate. Move the playhead to the end, go to modulate and change it to be fully transparent and keyframe it. To avoid some jittering that can occur, I'll go to 0.2, select the first keyframe and hit Control or Command plus D to duplicate it. I'll then hold left click and select the first two keyframes. From here, I'll right click on easing and set it to ease out. Then on the final keyframe, I'll select it and set the easing to ease in. I'll then enable autoplay on start so that way the animation runs as soon as the scene is loaded. I'll then save the scene and select the root node and add a script. Select the animation player node, go to node, signals, double click on animation finished and connect it. Because we only have one animation, we don't need to check what animation is finished using the anim name variable, though we can put an underscore before it, which cancels out the anim name built-in variable. We can then load our game's first scene. For most people, this will be a main menu, but for me in this case, I'm just using my basic game scene. Now to make this animated custom boot splash scene run as soon as the game loads, go to project settings, select run, and here where it says main scene, select the folder icon and select the node 2D scene. When you set stuff inside of the project settings, it may take a few saves before it actually activates when you run the game. Keep in mind that because we've set the main scene, this custom animation will only run either when the game has been exported and you open up the application, or when you use this play button, which can also be accessed with F5.
So yeah, I knew that already. Whatever he suggested to do, I wanted it to be like यहाँ पे ही they could have given the option, but it didn't. So maybe in the future we can animate, but for now I'm keeping it like this. Okay. अगर मैं क्लिप चैम्प में करके दूंगा तो कैन यू नहीं, इट्स जस्ट अ पिक्चर ना, इमेज ही डाल सकते हैं इधर, कांट. जिफ काम करेगा क्या? आई मीन वी कैन ट्राई फॉर जिफ मे बी. जिफ जिफ डाउनलोड. For fuck's sake, dude. My god. Finally. हुआ भी क्या import भाई? Nope. Import ही नहीं हुआ. Wow. GIF doesn't even import, huh? Okay. So no, we're out of luck. I mean we can animate obviously, but फिर वो थोड़ा कोड वोड चेंज करना पड़ेगा. Godot just doesn't give. यहाँ पे ही एक छोटा सा ऑप्शन दे देता फेड इन फेड आउट, तो कितना it would have been such a easy life, but no. ठीक है. whatever. Yeah. I mean, we can obviously do that later. Yeah. Shall I send you? Yes. WhatsApp, Discord, कुछ भी चलेगा. Whichever is convenient. Not sharing my whole screen. I am okay. It was a success. Our predictions were right, and I was able to find the. The country is open to वो प्रॉपरली और वो फुल स्टॉप के बीच में स्पेस है तो और निकाल दे I'm excited but scared too. I'm excited but scared too. Scared is a big word. That's what I'm thinking. Scared की जगह पे can we put something milder? Nervous is better, but I'm excited but nervous too. Hmm. I don't know. Let me see a second. Radio communication systems offline. Emergency lockdown engaged. Something else. Released की जगह पे emitted डाल दे I guess. Likely cause, past operation. So you know what I was thinking? Likely cause. So likely cause के बाद colon डालना first of all, and then burst of radiation due to solar flare from nearby star. I was thinking like likely cause, burst of radiation, sudden burst of radiation, sudden डालना और उसके बाद next line में probable I don't know मतलब I was thinking like likely cause burst of radiation या फिर cause हाँ cause is burst sudden burst of radiation and likely origin would be solar flare from nearby star. You know, you see what I'm getting at. So one thing is for certain that it is due to sudden burst of radiation. वो शिप को समझ में आता है उसको मतलब टेक को सो वो बोलेगा कि हाँ रेडिएशन सडनली रेडिएशन लेवल्स बढ़ गए थे तो इसलिए बढ़ा बट it can't say for certain that it was from a nearby star like it can only predict कि okay we were near a star so I'm predicting कि वो that's what I'm getting at so maybe like cause burst sudden burst of radiation likely origin या फिर I don't know what the best title would be likely origin या फिर likely source colon from क्या बोलता है solar flare from a nearby star ऐसा what do you think हाँ that is good इधर पहले trajectory का इधर पहले trajectory command showing debris detector का interference, then manual override error failure. Unknown trajectory command detected. Unknown. Oh, okay. There's another one. Sorry, I didn't see. बाकी के. Can't use in. But I can't use in that it does something to the code. You can't use colon क्या बोलते हैं apostrophes के. There has to be a way. There would be a way to probably use it, but ठीक है वो देखते हैं. Debris site में क्या किया है? Debris में same first message, right? Don't change the message. Second is hull integrity compromised, this is disconnected, navigation system failure, reading is not found, image electronic, distress signals released, likely cause, collision with debris, collision with space debris डाल देना. Unknown trajectory command detected. Manual trajectory override access status denied. Okay, cool. Hull integrity compromised. नहीं, likely cause में collision with moon मत डाल. That's the result. So collision with the moon का likely cause क्या है? तो इसमें we have to hint कि that is due to the module detector, because that was a prototype or whatnot, right? Sure. So we also need to add a OREC message from Papa, at least for the moon. Not just moon actually. Moon, I think moon and ये दोनों के लिए होगा वो. So that message would be key. So basically तो अपन ने जो रीअसाइन किया ना प्ले डैड को, unknown trajectory device malfunction. I don't know. Better unknown device malfunction. Trajectory device malfunction. ठीक है, मतलब ठीक है, और डाल के देखते हैं. हाँ तो another message that we need to add is कि when we reassign Papa to this new planet X87 या जो भी है X78, तो पापा का दोस्त goes to the original position, तो then he dies. एंड सो इसमें एक और मैसेज रहेगा डायरी एंट्री जैसे ही फ्रॉम रॉन हडसन ही. सब्जेक्ट में वो रहेगा कि वो क्या नाम डाला है मैंने उस दूसरे बंदे का, याद नहीं आ रहा मेरे को. ही इज़ डेड ऐसा. एंड बेसिकली इट विल बी हिम ग्रीविंग और मोर्निंग his friend's death, kind of. Get what I mean? So do that. वो एक बना देना नया. So हाँ, right. सुना ना तूने? सो वो एक एक्स्ट्रा रहेगा, सो दैट विल बी फॉर एडम समथिंग, हाँ राइट, एडम कुछ तो था, मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा. सो एडम डाइज ड्यू टू सोलर फ्लेयर, उसका उसका न्यूज़ अपने को मिलता, पापा को मिलता है, तो he types out a journal entry stating his sadness or mourning it. So that will be for crash site, sorry, debris, हाँ हाँ. एंड मून क्रैश साइट में एक और एक्स्ट्रा डाल देते हैं कि मून क्रैश साइट में एक और रहेगा, वन मोर, विच विल बी कि विच विल बी, आई डोंट नो, मतलब मैं वो मतलब मियर आवर्स में तो कोई स्टेबल नहीं होने वाला है ना कि ग्रीफ से, बट what my mind was thinking was कि the next मतलब मून क्रैश साइड में एक और एक्स्ट्रा मैसेज रहेगा, where Papa would say something like I want to visit this moon जहाँ पे मैं और ये had our first mission या जो भी है ऐसा कुछ, और we used to go there हर बार ऐसा कुछ. You getting what I mean? Thing is in my head. In my head, I can feel you getting closer. Feeling heavy on my shoulder. No, they are थोड़ा बहुत, मतलब वही, मतलब they are time apart, but not that much. Yeah, you should increase the time step. Sorry, I didn't see that. Because तू map wise ही देख लेना, वो meteor crash is somewhere near the sun, but moon is थोड़ा in the opposite direction, right? So, the logic is key. He changes his course to visit that moon just to remember his friend or something. वैसा. Yep. Yep. Yes. And it's 3 a.m. again. No, I haven't slept. This is not good. Yes. Take your time. Uh, at least made some progress on sounds, I guess. Pachi. Who's Pachi, bro? I don't know the reference. Alright, anyways. I'll go to sleep. We will continue tomorrow. Okay, bye bye. See ya. Good night.